Wagwan people, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I welcome you. This is Sister J. Thank you for stopping by. Feel at home and enjoy your stay. To all my supporters and all my channel members, thank you so much. I really appreciate your love. Silent viewers, big up yourself. So today I'll be cooking in my crock pot. On a busy day like today, I have no time to stand around in the kitchen. So I'm gonna let the crock pot do the job today. This lovely succulent chicken feet served with some vegetables and white rice. So yes guys, here I have the chicken feet. So I'm gonna wash the chicken feet with vinegar and lemon and then season it up. Over on this side I have my crock pot heating up with some water in it, so I'm just gonna season my crock pot. I'm putting in some all-purpose seasoning, so you can use 1 teaspoon. And now I'm putting in some smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon. And for the salt-free seasoning, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon, or you put until the ancestor says stop. Here I have my seasoned chicken feet. I have some garlic here, scallion and thyme, bay leaf, ginger, and pimento. So now I'm adding my chicken feet to the crock pot, and then I'm just putting in the bay leaf, the garlic, the onion, the ginger, and the thyme. Now I'm adding some meat tenderizer. I'm just using half tablespoon of meat tenderizer, because it tends to be a little salty. That's the meat tenderizer. So now I'm just going to cover, and this is the first stage of doing my chicken feet. I'll see you when it's time for the second stage. So now here I have some carrot and some butter bean. Right here I have some celery and some assorted bell pepper and a hot pepper also. So now I'm just going to put that in. So we're on the second stage, and I'm adding the beans. Now I'm adding the celery and the assorted bell pepper and the hot pepper. Now I'm adding some black pepper to that, some complete seasoning, and some ketchup. I'm just gonna mix this all in and stir it out. Now I'm gonna cover this, let it simmer down. So there you have it, my lovely people. My chicken feet is ready, done in the crock pot. Oh my God, it's falling off the bone. Look at that. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Just do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. One love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more.